Florida Weekend Warriors. Is your RV refrigerator not cooling properly? I'll give you some tips on how to fix that and show you the ultimate solution. We'll install this thing and we'll see how good it does. It'll fix your fridge, I guarantee it. Before we install that, here's a couple tips. Number one, locate your refrigerator on the outside. Make sure it's not in the sun. If it's in the sun, put out the awning, or you may want to take the cover off. Open it up and make sure there's no wasp nests or bugs or anything else in there that may block some of the air that helps cool the unit. And another thing, inside in the refrigerator, make sure you don't have too much food stacked in front of the coils. I'll show you in a sec. One of the main things you want to do when you're packing your refrigerator is to make sure you don't pack too much food in it. And number one, you want to try to avoid putting stuff in front of the coils like we've done. So if you move that stuff on the other shelves, it'll help it cool, because you want the air to be able to circulate all around these coils. It'll help your refrigerator cool. The RV Cooling Warehouse makes this really cool kit. It's only about $40. I got the one with the 2 switches on it, so it's got an LED light and you can turn the fan on and off. It's really helpful when you're out boondocking. And it's easy to install. You see these 2 little clips? This just slides right on the fins. There's really just one wire. It hooks up to the light inside the refrigerator, and you hook it to the hot side of the light, the switch. And it comes with this little thing you can crimp on at the end of the wire, and it just slides right on there. It's all there is to it. It's simple. I'll show you once it's installed. You basically just push those little clips right onto the fins, and then you coil up the wire right here, put a couple tie wraps on it, and then hook it to the light. You probably can't see it because of the brightness of the light, but right there, there's a little tab that sticks out, and that's what you hook the end of the wire to, and that's all there is to it. Mine, because I'm hooking it to the fins, I don't need a ground wire because that is the ground. There it is. We're done. Super simple. This thing slides right off and right back on. So you want to have a little bit enough slack so you can cut the tie wrap and slide it off so you can change the bulb if you need to. But you basically just turn it on. There we go. We're done. Let's see how it cools down. See? It's running. You can't even hear it. It's super quiet. We hope you liked this video. The main thing to remember when you're putting the hooking up to the light in the refrigerator is to make sure it's on the line side and not the switch side of the switch. Because if not, you'll hook it up, and each time you close the door, the fan will turn off instead of stay on all the time. So that's the main thing to remember. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to our channel or leave a comment. If you subscribe, it's free. All you need is a Google or a Gmail account. So leave a comment. See you next time.